Hey, Camry and Layden. I've got a book to share with you this week, and it's called How Do You Know It's Spring? And I picked this book because that's what season we're in. We are in the season of spring. So the first thing we're going to do today is just to take a picture walk through the book. So if you notice the front cover, what do you see? So I noticed that it looks like it's raining. The girl has a raincoat on. She's holding some flowers. It even looks like there's some flowers in the background. All right, here's our next page. What do you notice in this picture? So I notice we have a girl again, and she's got flowers and lots of yellow flowers around her, and she even has flowers on her dress. Now next on this page, what do you notice in these pictures? Looks like we've got the same tree, and I think maybe it is in different seasons. One tree doesn't hardly have any leaves, one's got a bunch of green leaves, one has some yellow, and then one has just a little bit of leaves. Ooh, and look at this picture. What do you notice in this one? So I noticed that looks like there's snow on the ground. Maybe it's kind of melted. And do you see there's nice pretty flowers there? All right, now we've got a spring day, it looks like, and they're flying a kite. Have you guys ever flown a kite before? Oh, what about this picture? What do you see here? We've got another kid in the rain, and she's smiling, so she must not be might not be very upset about the rain. Looks like maybe she's playing in it. And here we've got, what's in that picture? Maybe that looks like a tractor. Maybe it's on a farm. Ooh, look at this picture. What do you notice in this one? Looks like we've got some leaves that are growing off a branch, and then some like little flowers. Oh, look at this picture. We have some bears. Looks like a mama bear and some cubs. What about this picture? Again, it looks like another mother animal and her babies in a nest. Look at this one. Looks like we've got some bunnies in the grass. Kind of looks like they might even be in a hole. What about this picture? Yeah, it looks like we have a dad helping his daughter. Maybe they're planting something, it looks like. Here's another one. What do you notice in this picture? Looks like maybe it's a family and they're riding some bikes. And the sky looks nice and blue. Oh, what's going on here? Yeah, it looks like they're playing soccer. Alright, so we've looked through the pictures. So let's talk about some of the words that we noticed. We're just going to take a look at the first couple of pages today. So I'm wondering if you could look at this page and look for a couple of our words in here. I wonder if you see the word and. Can you find the word and? What about the word it? That small little word it. And then what about the word is? Can you find that word is? And then last, what about that word the? Can you find the word the? All right, very good. Let's go on to the next one. All right, in this page, again, do you see that small word is? What about that small word in? Or the word, where's that word, the? All right, let's go to the next one. All right, let's look again for that small word it. Where do you see that small word it? Then why don't we look for the word and this time, and. And then last, why don't we look for the word the. I think we see it a couple of times. I think maybe even 3 times. Some have a capital letter. And there's one, at least one that doesn't start. Ooh, 2 that don't start with a capital letter. All right, let's look at this page. What about that word is again? Can you find is? All right, and let's see. I think we might go to one more page. All right, what about on this page? What about that small word it? And be careful because it's going to start with a capital letter, it. All right, we're going to go back now to the beginning. Just a couple of the pages. All right, I want you to echo after me the title. How do you know it's spring? Good. All right, we're going to echo this page too, so echo after me. Welcome, spring. Flowers bloom. Birds chirp and sing. Kites blow in the wind. That is how we know it is spring. All right, let's echo the other one. Next page. There are 4 seasons in each year. Each season lasts about 3 months. Spring is the season that comes after winter. All right, let's start with this heading here. What's the weather? And remember, you're echoing after me. In spring, the air gets warmer. The days are longer. That means it stays light in the evening for a longer time. The warm weather melts winter's snow and ice. Ah, we were right about the snow. Some spring days are sunny. Others are windy. We are ready to put our winter clothes away. Spring is in the air. All right, good job, guys. So we're going to stop for there today, and then we will look at the next couple of pages and try to find some words. So hopefully I hope you enjoyed How Do You Know It's Spring?